Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the update which I have received in the Realme X2 Pro device. So just today I have received the update, friends. Maybe you must have received the before, or you will be receiving the update later on. So definitely try to watch till end of the video to get to know more details about the what features it got added. Because by looking at the update features, I can definitely say there is a huge added list here in terms of this kind of update, I can say. And recently even I uploaded the video on the Realme X2 Pro in terms of the charging after using for more than 300 days, even sorry, I think 250 days. So even I'll be doing another review on the Realme X2 Pro after using for so long time. It's been 9 months of using this Realme X2 Pro. So try to check that video if you want to know more details about the Realme X2 Pro, and also subscribe if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using. Do check the links in description as well for the playlist of wallpapers. So let's get started with the update. What is the update version and what are the features and update size and everything. So once after recording this video, after uploading this one, then I'll try to download this update and install, and then I'll go through each and every feature one by one again in the next videos. So right now you can see these are version what I'm using right now, so 11.c.28, and the update size is of 759 MB, as you can see clearly. So today is the date of 27th August, as you can see here. So just today I have received this update. So every day whatever phones I have, I'll be keep on checking the software updates regularly to make sure that I'm on update regarding this all the features every time. So let's see what are the features. So now we got to know the update size, and let's see the features. So this happens every time now and then. When you want to see the features, it will display there are no internet connection, but if you try 2 or 3 times, it will definitely work. So here is a list of features what got added in this new update. So let's go through one by one features. So first is in terms of the Realme Lab, which we have seen the smooth scrolling. Same kind of feature is present in the Realme X smartphone, so which where I have described pretty in detail. So I'll try to do another video on this one. Even I found the Super Night mode in the Realme X smartphone as well, and added DC dimming feature. So this is a little bit a new feature which got added in the Realme Lab. So once after this update, I'll try to test this feature as well. So because this low light flickering issue, few of the users they did see in the Realme X2 device. So it is a Realme X2. So they saw in that phone, not in the Realme X2 Pro. In the X2 Pro, I did not see any that kind of low light flickering issue. So maybe a few of the users they do have, so they fixed that issue and they got added that feature as well. And next is that camera text scanner. So maybe using the default camera, you can actually scan the text of any documents if you want. So that is another option you got added in the camera. So all these features I'll test one by one. So next is a screenshot, where there is auto scroll feature in the screenshot option. So maybe there must be some in the settings of the screenshot that you can select the auto scroll every time. So once you tap the screenshot, it will automatically scroll and take the long screenshot. Maybe I think that was the purpose of that one. And next is the added settings, added super power saving mode. Oh, that's super power saving mode, friends. So we have seen the power saving mode, but super power saving mode. So even in the MIUI 12 in the MI phones, I have seen this kind of update which is ultra battery saver. So we have seen the battery saver, and now we are seeing ultra battery saver. So same thing with the Realme. I think we have got the power saving mode, and now we are seeing the super power saving mode. So next is that added QR code scanning feature in the Wi-Fi interface. So for example, if when you open the Wi-Fi settings in few of the smartphones, you do have this kind of option. So right now I'm using the OnePlus 7 Pro. In the Wi-Fi settings here, you can see the barcode scanner. So you can directly scan the QR code for the Wi-Fi network in this way, as you can see here. But in the Realme phones, there is no that scanner present at the moment. So that's why they must have added in the Wi-Fi that option. So next is that added beautification feature in the WeChat. So I won't be using WeChat, so I'm not bothered about that feature. And next is added long press to copy the IMEI status. So you can copy the IMEI number instead of remembering every time or taking the screenshot of the IMEI number. So this is a easy way to copy. Next is a added icon pull down gesture feature in the launcher settings. So I need to check this option. Maybe in the launcher settings you can pull down for the notification gestures, I think so. And added deep clean feature in the process manager. So maybe which will be clearing all the cache and multitasking applications, I think. So next is added default sound recording device option. And next is that added return button in the screenshot preview interface, added multi-user feature. So this is another area where I'll be focusing on multi-user feature. So similarly in the Mi and Redmi phones, they do have the second space in their mobile phones. So as you can see here, second space. So that means they can have multiple users. I think only two users, first and second space. So maybe the multi-user feature means you can use one, two, or three users. I think so. So I'll go through that feature separately. I'll note down this point. And next is added quick guide feature in the battery settings interface, added quick guide feature in the security support, quick guide feature in the other settings interface, optimized automatically hide option for the floating bar in the full screen interface, and optimized status bar viewing, added second display option, optimize the default display of the battery percentage. So maybe the battery percentage got a little bit changed. So optimize the logic of flight mode, which will not affect the Bluetooth status after opening. So maybe the flight mode doesn't work for the Bluetooth, I think so. So next is the status bar. So added OTG switch toggle to the notification panel, and added independent switch toggles of focus mode, and optimized mute bell vibration icon state, and optimized viewing of system update prompt pop-up window. So once I update this update, then definitely I'll go through all the options and I'll get to know what individually about these things. And next is added flashlight, press power button to turn off the flashlight while screen is off. So these are one of the best feature, which can be very small but which is very much useful. So this is a Poco X2 device. As you can see friends, when the flashlight is on, so right now the flashlight is on and the screen is off. As you can see, still the flashlight is on. Now if you want to turn off the flashlight, you just need to press the power button twice. The flashlight will get off. So same thing maybe that got added in the Realme update, I think so. That's a good thing. So now the Realme also, they are trying to be more creative and adding all the features with regular updates. So that's another bonus here. So next, added long press to uninstall apps directly in the app drawer. Okay, and added sweeping effect for the icon in newly installed app, fixed font display issue, fix the problematic connection issue when Wi-Fi, fix the issue that photos cannot be focused in the tab, fix the issue of Realme Buds. So added Realme community, fix the failure issue of 4D vibration feedback. So till now I did not even use this 4D vibration feedback. I got the option in the game space, but I never tried using this option. So these are another biggest update I can say, definitely. And this is a security patch combined for the July and August together. As you can see at the end, you have got the July and August update all together combined at big package friends. Usually I do receive the updates of close to 200 MB or 300 MB size, but this kind of huge size is a little bit curious to test all these features. As usual, every time it will say the no internet connection. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check out my other video on Realme X2 Pro using for 250 days celebration with this phone. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.